Lights out at Congress manifesto blooper. Congress manifesto uses images of Thailand and New York. A New York photo used for the waste management category in that manifesto. Thailand photograph used over environment category in the Congress manifesto. BJP says looks like the Congress forgot that it is preparing a manifesto for India and not putting together a holiday itinerary for Rahul Gandhi. What else explained using a picture from Thailand under the environment section? It shouldn't be a surprise if Rahul Gandhi dashes off to Thailand for yet another holiday soon after election. This is what Amit Malviya, BJP's social media head, IT cell head, has said on X. Aishwarya Paliwal is joining us for more on this. But before that, let's listen in to what the BJP has had to say.
आपने कांग्रेस के मैनिफेस्टो में देखा होगा, ये वाटर मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर ये फोटो है. देखिए, इसको जाके आप चेक कर लीजिएगा. ये न्यूयॉर्क की बफेलो लिवर की है. अब देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि अभी तक उनकी सोशल मीडिया चेयरपर्सन के अकाउंट से किसने ट्वीट कर दिया था तो पता नहीं लगा पाए, पर उससे बड़ा यक्ष प्रश्न हो गया है, ये फोटो कौन भेज रहा है विदेश से. मतलब ऑन द लाइटर नोट मैं कहना चाहूंगा, बफेलो शब्द को हिंदी में भैंस कहते हैं और हिंदी में कहावत होती है अकल बड़ी है भैंस. तो मुझे लगता है उतनी अकल भी किसी ने प्रयोग नहीं की है इनको करने के लिए. अब आइए साहब, इन्वायरमेंटल क्लीनिनेस के ऊपर ये फोटो है और ये जानते कहां की है? द मोस्ट फेवर्ड एंड सॉर्ट ऑफ डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ चिर युवा ऑफ इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स राहुल गांधी जी का, थाईलैंड की.
My colleague Aishwarya Paliwal is now joining us live on this. Aishwarya, the BJP there taking pot shots at the Congress over its manifesto, saying there clearly seem to be bloopers in that manifesto, which shows how unserious the Congress is about putting this document together.
Well, Pavani, definitely, we will see the Bharatiya Janata Party now saying that the most important document, and it really is the most important piece of paper, if we speak about the big 2024 elections, because the Congress Party is now going ahead and telling the people what it will do for them if they come to power for the next 5 years. So definitely, an image like this is something that the BJP is now pointing fingers at and also saying that you have not done your research, and that's the reason why you have put this picture, which is not even from India, and now you are saying that you will work ahead for Indians for the next 5 years. So how serious you are, this one picture depicting that. This is what the BJP is saying with regards to the blooper, actually, which has come in the piece of paper that we are speaking about. Congress now definitely will have to give an answer. The BJP saying that you are not serious. That's the reason why this kind of research is given to Rahul Gandhi.
Okay. Aishwarya, thank you for joining us with all of those details.